Hi, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to take you through my day at Johnston Canyon with some friends. First, I had to gas up and grab some breakfast and coffee, of course, to get caffeinated for the day. I cannot do without my coffee. I love my coffee at the beginning of the day to get ready and excited for the day. Johnston Canyon is nestled in the heart of Banff National Park. Johnston Canyon is more than just a scenic destination. It's a place shaped by time, water, and history. Here's the beginning of the trail.
The world record, but I think that they broke that record now.
That's crazy.
But here's there's a cave we can walk into to see the lower fall. And then we're going to go up the trail up into the...
Really? All the way up there?
No, we'll come only to here. Up here is not worth it. Here's where all the ice is.
Yeah, but the fact is we should come all the way back also, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome, yeah.
It's called a round trip.
As you can see, snow and ice are everywhere, creating a truly beautiful landscape. To walk safely on these slippery trails, you need cleats or crampons. As you can see, some people they also have the poles to help them with balance. We have arrived at the lower falls. The lower falls are a mesmerizing sight. The water tumbles 10 meters, which is about 33 feet, into a deep blue pool, framed by steep canyon walls. The canyon itself was carved over thousands of years as Johnston Creek, a tributary of the Bow River, eroded its way through layers of limestone. The deep chasms, overhanging rock walls, and stunning waterfalls we see today are nature's artwork in motion, constantly evolving. Here you see we are going through a small bridge which leads to a tunnel in the rock where visitors can step inside and feel the mist on their faces as the falls roll just a few feet away. It's an intimate moment with the raw power of nature, a reminder of how water can carve through solid stone over time.
Where I come from,
Uh-huh.
there'll be a shrine here right now.
Really? So here we are just waiting for other people who have gone through the tunnel to come back because the tunnel is very small, and on the other side of the tunnel there is no enough room for lots of people to stand and view the small pool and the falls on the other side of the tunnel. Coming through.
Look at the cave. Yeah, it's full.
Yeah, this is the other side of the tunnel. And the water is flowing underneath the ice into that into that small pool, which also flows to the lower pool on the other side. Once we finished exploring the lower falls, we started heading to the upper falls, which is about 1.4 kilometers away from the lower falls. The canyon is believed to be named after a prospector, possibly Charles Johnston, who was one of the early explorers in the area. While he left a little trace beyond his name, his footsteps marked the beginning of human fascination with this natural wonder. In the early 1900s, wooden walkway and bridges were built to allow visitors safe passage through the canyon. These catwalks, they are now well maintained and reinforced. They provide breathtaking views as they cling to the rock walls above the rushing creek.
Hey bro, you coming? Come down, I'll help you.
So we have arrived at the upper falls. The upper falls stand an impressive 30 meters, which is about 98 feet high. It's higher than the lower falls because the lower falls are about 90 meters. No, the lower falls are about 10 meters, which is about 33 feet. In warmer months, the falls crash down with unstoppable force, sending mist into the air. However, in wintertime, they take an entirely different form, freezing into massive ice.
Looking majestic, sir. Wait, no. Put your legs back there. And then look at me. Like that pose is good. Yeah, put your legs back there. Good. One, two. Yeah. Good with that? Yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry. Hey, you did. Hey. Keep the line. No, we're going to continue. Hey. I am trusting in you. No. Oh, really? Oh. Okay. Right.
Johnston Canyon is not just a place for hikers. It's also a playground for ice climbers. When the temperatures drop, the waterfalls transform into towering walls of ice, attracting climbers from around the world. These adventurers, equipped with ice axes, crampons, and nerve of steel, ascend the frozen waterfalls, testing their skill and endurance. The sound of ice picks striking the frozen walls echoes through the canyon, which is a testament to human determination against nature's icy grip. Even those who don't climb Watching these athletes in action is awe-inspiring. So if life ever feels overwhelming, step outside, walk among the trees, follow the sound of water, and let nature bring you back to yourself. Because in places like Johnston Canyon, you don't just witness nature's beauty, you feel it deep within. Hopefully, you've enjoyed watching our day in Johnston Canyon. Cheers. Bye.